In this particular application, we're going to be measuring the indoor air quality of someone's residence. So before we walk into the home where there's occupants, pets, animals, children, and myself, we want to turn this unit on outside. So, and as soon as we turn it on outside, it acclimates to the clean, fresh air around us. But what we also want to do is actually calibrate it and zero the gas sensors, the toxic sensors, to fresh outdoor air, so we know that that's your baseline before we walk into the home. So as we walk into someone's home, we can actually measure with a handheld device the VOCs, the ambient air temperature, the relative humidity, the barometric pressure, wet bulb, dew point, and we're actually making a true analysis of someone's indoor air quality in their home for one application. Right now we're in the kitchen, and obviously we have a lot of cleaning supplies, cooking sprays, and things of this nature. So what we want to do is actually measure the VOCs with our monitor, and what we're finding here is 0 ppb. In here, the homeowner has just informed us that they just put down new hardwood floor, had some painting done within the last couple weeks. So what we're doing is actually measuring, and this is the family room where the occupants here, mainly the children, play in this room. So we're measuring all of the parameters in here, and also seeing 0 ppb for VOCs. So in this particular home, we're down in the basement, and one area that we see is obviously where we have a lot of paints. So a good thing to do with the new AQ VOC indoor air quality monitor is to actually measure the VOCs in ppb around the paints. Right now we're about 20 ppb, whereas on the other side of the room we were almost at 0. Now we're measuring in the occupant's garage. People don't think about it a lot, but you do keep a lot of paints, cleaning supplies, chemicals for the lawn, all types of things in the garage. But along in the garage we also keep sometimes our clothes, our shoes, kids' toys, things like that. So we want to make sure that any gas is coming off any of the equipment or chemicals, that there's nothing that could affect the toys that are around the area. And it looks like we're clean. Now that we've measured the first floor, we're going to go upstairs and start measuring the bedrooms. Now the homeowner had just put in, again in the last about a month or so, new carpeting and painted obviously one of the children's rooms. So now we want to make sure that there's no VOCs or any off-gassing in the room that could potentially be harmful. We're at 0 VOCs ppb. We just went through the whole home, from bedrooms to bathrooms to the first floor to the playroom to the basement to the garage. And it looked like this particular application was good and clean of VOCs, which is what we want to see. But it's nice to be able to actually, without guessing, testing.